Got extra rows in your Excel or a CSV file? In this video, I'll show you how to remove the top and bottom rows in Power BI. Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to clean your data in Power BI by removing the top and bottom rows and alternative rows. This is a very common step when you work with the Excel. When we bring data into Power BI, the first few rows may have titles, blank lines, notes at the end, or nulls, might have totals or comments that we don't need. Okay, so let's see how to remove them, which is not required. Here I have the data. This is a global superstore data I have loaded here in this. As you can see, the first 1, 2 and 3 rows have blanks, as in have null values which are not required. So when you open the Power Query Editor and go to the Home tab, there you have an option called Remove Rows. This is the option: remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows. So the duplicate and errors will cover in the next videos. So now if you want to remove the first 2-3 rows, what we have to do, go to Home, remove rows, select remove top rows. Now we are going to focus on the top rows. As you can see, row number 1, 2 and 3, we have a null values here and we want to get rid of the null values. So let's go back to remove rows, remove top rows, select number of rows that you want to delete. Now I want to delete 3 number of rows, 1, 2 and 3. Click OK. Okay, so 3 rows got deleted. Now you see there is no null value here. Let's use the first row as a header, promote this, the row number 1 as a header. It is done. Now we have seen how to delete the top rows. You can delete top 1 row, top 2 row, 3 row, 5 rows, 6 rows. How many number of rows you want to delete, you can delete it. So now let's go focus on the bottom rows. In this sheet of the data, I have got for about 196 rows. You can see here the 196 rows. Now let me remove the bottom 6 rows here. Go to remove rows, select remove bottom rows, click on this, click 6. Let's check out how many rows we have here. You can see 190 rows. We have removed 6 rows from this using the remove bottom rows option. So earlier we did remove top rows, now we did remove bottom rows. Now let's focus on the remove alternate rows. So this is the third option here. Scroll up, go to remove rows, select remove alternate rows. So in the remove alternate rows, you can remove row number 3, row number 9, row number 12, or you can remove row number 4, 6, 8 like that. So now I will select 3, 6 and 9. I want to delete this row number 3, row number 6 and row number 9. So let's see the row number 3. The value is 25330, 25330. Let's select the row numbers, click on OK. 25330, remember the number. Done. 25330 is removed. This entire row is deleted. You can come back to the previous step where you can see 25330 was row number 3. If I go to the step, the row number 3 is now changed to 40155. We selected row number 6. Row number 6 is 22732. The row number has got changed. As I mentioned, after removing the top rows, if your headers are still showing as a data, go to transform and use first row as a header. That makes your table neat and ready. So what it does is remove top rows, it will delete unwanted headers. Remove bottom rows, that does deletes the totals or notes. Hope this is clear now. Thank you.